Petal? What's the matter? What? Where's your new ducky? Where did you put your new ducky? You were just playing with him and then all of a sudden you stopped. Where'd he go? Is he swimming now? Did you lose... What? Did you lose him? Oh my goodness. Ducky's in the trash can. How did he get in there? What are we gonna do, Pizzles? You gotta save him. He can't stay in there. That's just not good for a ducky. Do what? What are you gonna do? What? Are you gonna get Ducky? Are you? Gotta get him. How does a ducky go anyways? You gonna save him? Really? Do you want me to get him? Or do you want to get him? He can't stay in there. That's not a good idea. Not a good idea. So what do you want to do? See if you can get him? Can you get him? I don't want you to fall in the trash can, but I know you'll think of something. You want Mommy to get him? I could get him. I'll get him. Here I go. And there's the ducky! Yeah, happy family reunion again.